Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn photos into videos on Instagram. So for example, you want to update a picture and you want to make it as video in your story. So what you need to do is click on the plus icon and choose story and choose a picture that you want to update as a video. Go to your gallery and find a picture. So for example, I want to use this picture, and what you need to do to make it to turn it or to change it into video is you can just add some GIF. Just click on the sticker icon at the top and click on GIF like this and search for the GIF that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add some GIF about coffee like this. So when you update it, it will be change the picture into video, the photos into video, because you've already add the GIF right here. And there's also other method that you can use. I'm going to delete this. You can also add the music. You can add a music into your photos and turn it into a video when you're updated. So for example, I'm going to use this. Okay, and when you click on your story, it will be changed into video. You can just wait for the photo to be successfully uploaded in your Instagram. Okay, just wait. Okay, so the music has been added and the picture has been changed, the photo has been changed into videos. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.